Hi, third grade. It's Miss Hastings from Terrell Elementary, and this week we're going to be reviewing place value. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 4 ways that we represent a number. One of those ways is with standard form. If I wanted to write the number 2,615 in standard form, I would just write the digits. I would write a 2, 6, 1, and a 5. Don't forget your comma. This is standard form. You're just doing the digits here. Whenever it comes to word form, you're just writing the words that you say out loud when you say the number you're seeing. If I say 2,615, that's how you write it in word form. 2,615. Then we move on to picture form. Some people also call it the base 10 model. What they mean by that is they are talking about these blocks. These are called base 10 blocks, and whenever you want to draw a picture of them, it can be really simple. I've got 5 in my ones place. The ones in base 10 blocks look like this, just very small. So whenever I want to draw those, I'm just going to draw small dots. I need 5 of them. Now moving on to my tens. I've got 1 10 in my tens place, and base 10 blocks look like this. This is a tens rod. So I'm just going to draw a line to represent the 10 that I have here. I've just got 1 of those. Now we're ready to move on to our hundreds, which kind of look like a square. So I'm going to need to draw 6 of those to represent my 600s. And now I'm ready to move on to the thousands. Thousands in base 10 blocks look like these, so a large cube. Don't worry if you're not an excellent artist, neither am I. I'm just going to draw something that in my mind represents this 1,000, and I'm good to go. So now in our picture form, we've got 2 thousands, 600s, 1 10 and 5 ones, 2,615. We're ready to move on to expanded form. When it comes to expanded form, you're just stretching out your number. So it doesn't really matter if you start in your lowest place value or in your highest place value. I'm just going to start down here on this end today with my ones. The 5 in my ones place represents 5. So I'm just going to draw a 5 here with an addition symbol next to it, and I'm going to build to the left. I've got a 1 in my tens place, but this 1 doesn't stand for 1, it stands for 10. Another plus sign. Moving to the right, I'm in my hundreds place. There's a 6 here. It doesn't mean 6 when it's in this position. It has a value of 600. And then my very last place that I have is my thousands place, and there's a 2 here. So we are going to write 2,000 because this 2 has a value of 2,000. We are finished with our expanded form. We now have 2,615 in expanded form. I hope that this was helpful, a good refresher for you. I will see you again tomorrow when we talk about ways to name a number.